Hi students, good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the physical properties of alcohols. Generally, alcohols have two parts, and alkyl groups and other hydroxyl groups. Okay, first we discuss about the boiling points. The boiling point of alcohols increase the number of carbon atoms, also increase van der Waals forces. Therefore, the boiling point decrease if the increase of number of branching in carbon chain, because decrease van der Waals forces with decrease in surface area. So therefore, boiling point decreases if the branching is increases. For examples, the OH group involved in intermolecular hydrogen bonds. You also see here ROH dot dot is the symbol of hydrogen bonds connected to more electronegative atom and less electronegative atoms. O and H, OR, H, OR. This dot dot bond is known as hydrogen bonds. The boiling points of alcohols are higher to other compounds like hydrocarbon, ether, haloalkanes and haloarenes as comparable molecular masses. Let us now take examples. Ethanol, CH3, CH2, OH. This is the ethyl, dimethyl ether, and this is propane, 1, 2, 3, so this is propane. Their molecular mass is 46, 46 and 44 U. So as their comparable molecular mass, their boiling points is 351, this is the alcohols, 248, their molecular mass is similar. But alcohols having the presence of hydrogen bonds, so their boiling points is greater in comparison to ether and in also greater in comparison to propane. Okay, let us now discuss second physical properties, solubility. Solubility, alcohols is easily soluble with water. Why? Because due to ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecules, the solubility decreases with increase in size of alkyl groups. Okay, let us examples. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is the examples of propanol. The water molecules can added here. This dot dot, this is the water molecules H2O, H2O, H2O. Here the formation of hydrogen bonds. This red dot dot structure is for hydrogen bonds because more electronegative atom of oxygen and less electronegative of hydrogen. So this is the known as hydrogen bonds, and these hydrogen bonds can break in the water molecules to form fully dissociate and soluble in waters, springly soluble in waters. Okay, let us now we discuss about chemical properties. We know that alcohols are the versatile compounds. They react with both nucleophile as well as electrophiles. How to act electrophiles and how to act nucleophiles? We see here, alcohols act as a nucleophile if OH bond is broken. ROH, this is the alcohols and this is the electrophiles. These alcohols having two lone pair of electron, so one pair of electron can transfer of electron to achieve the electrophiles and to form ROHC. There, this is the electrophile and this is the nucleophile. Nucleophile, and it act the electrophile. Okay, so our compound will be formed ROHC. After some times, this hydrogen is deprotonation. This is known as deprotonation. Deprotonation. The bond is transferred to O plus and our product is formed ROCHHH and produce H plus ion. And next things, alcohols act as a electrophile if CO bond is broken. RCH2H, this is the H plus ion. It having 2 lone pair electron, 1 lone pair electron can transfer electron and achieve H plus ion to form OH2. Okay, this is the base. This is the act as the, and this is the act as the acid. This is act as electrophiles. Electrophile, and it is nucleophile. This nucleophile can attack this electrophile carbon atoms, electron deficient carbon atoms, to form BrCH2R plus remove water molecules. Okay, students, this is the versatile nature of alcohols. They act as nucleophile as well as electrophile. Second, reaction involving cleavage of OH bond. First, acidity of alcohols. Reactions with metals. Alcohols reacts with active metals such as sodium, potassium, aluminium to form alkoxide and hydrogen gas. For examples, ROH is the alcohols react with sodium metals. So bond is cleavage here. H plus ion produced as a hydrogen gas. This is the hydrogen gas, and to form R having 2 lone pair electron and can achieve to form alkoxides. Okay, to form alkoxide. For examples, methanol react with sodium molecules to produce hydrogen gas. This reaction can balance putting 2 to 2. Similar in this reaction, methanol to form hydrogen gas. We take a large compounds, alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohols. This is the tertiary butyl alcohols reacts with aluminium metals to form aluminium tertiary butoxides. Why 3 molecules are formed here? Because aluminium have outermost 3 electrons. It have 3 positive charge. So it loses H plus ion after getting to as a is a hydrogen gas. After balancing we take 6 molecules and take 2 molecules. Our compound will form 6 molecules of tertiary butoxides and 2 molecules of aluminium. Okay, the above reactions show that alcohols are acidic in nature. Because alcohol act as Bronsted acid, they donate a proton to a stronger base. Okay, students, for examples, this is the base, or alcohol is the acids. This base can accept 1 H plus ion and to form BH conjugate acid plus OR conjugate base. This is the conjugate acid. BH to form BH compound. This is the conjugate acid, and after remaining negative ion is called conjugate base. Then we took the acidic strength of alcohols decreases in the following order. This is the primary alcohol is more acidic than secondary alcohol and also more acidic in comparison to tertiary alcohols. That is 1 degree alcohols, 2 degree alcohols and 3 degree alcohols. Why is the 1 degree alcohol is more acidic? Because it have only 1 electron releasing group present. Their charge density is lower in comparison to 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols. So 1 degree alcohol is more acidic in comparison to 2 degree and 3 degree. Okay, you also see here an electron releasing group R increases electron density on oxygen atom, tending to decrease the polarity of OH bonds, thus decrease the acidic strength. Okay. Question: alcohols are weaker acid than water. Why? Students, you see here, this is the base RO minus and this is the water is acidic. So this is the base is accept the H plus ion. This is known as Bronsted base and this is known as Bronsted acid to lose one H plus ion. After some times ROH, this is called conjugate acid, or losing OH minus ion is called conjugate base. You see here the above reaction shown that water H2O is a better proton donor. देखिए यहां पर क्या हो रहा है, H प्लस आयन बहुत इजीली ये लॉस कर रहा है, कौन? वाटर मोलिकुल्स. ठीक है, better proton donor than alcohols and alkoxide ion is a better proton acceptor than hydroxide ion. Thus, alkoxide is a stronger base. And next chemical properties we also discuss here. Esterification. What is esterification? Generally, alcohols reacts with carboxylic acids, acid chlorides, and acid anhydrides to form ester. We take examples alcohols ROH and also take a carboxylic acid R-COH. So we know that here bond is break. This is act as the base H plus ion and RCOH is the loss of OH minus ion to remove water molecules and form ROCOR dash. Okay, students. Similarly, we take another examples. C2H5OH ethanol reacts with acetic acid in the presence of acid to form C2H5OCOOCH3 plus H2O. We take another examples alcohols, different reagent acid anhydride. Their name will be acid anhydrides reacts with in the presence of acid to form ROCOR dash plus another compound also form acetic acid, one acid. And another examples, third, alcohols reacts with acid chloride. What is the general form of acid chloride? RCOCl. This reactions occurs in the presence of pyridine to form ROCOR dash. Their name will be esters and replace H and Cl HCl molecules. Methanol reacts with acid chloride in the presence of pyridine to form ester CH3OCOCH3 plus HCl. Okay, thank you for watching this video.